So whenever you have a cookout and you got your leftover chicken or whatever, I'm gonna show y'all how to make. I'm gonna have like a leftover stir-fried chicken that's gonna come out banging. This chicken right here was jerk chicken, grilled jerk chicken. I'm gonna cut the chicken up into pieces, cut all the meat off of it, add some vegetables to it, and saute it over rice and some more stuff I'm gonna show y'all. But don't let your grill food go to waste. You can make a couple meals out of one grilling session. So also, I already cut my chicken up. So I'm gonna add some mushrooms to it, sliced mushrooms, jalapenos. I'm not gonna put all these jalapenos. I put like 2, maybe 3 jalapenos in there. I got zucchini. I'm gonna add zucchini to it. I'm gonna add onions to it. My chicken is already seasoned from on the grill. I'm gonna add I'm just adding a little bit of garlic salt, regular salt, and some soy sauce, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna put this over rice. And so I already got my chicken cut up. It's about enough, you know what I'm saying, to feed a couple people. Let me cut this up. So here go all my chops. 1 zucchini, jalapenos, sliced up, mushrooms and onions, with my leftover chicken, with rice over, and use rice. So halfway home, got my prep out the way. Okay, so next I'm ready to start cooking my food. I took a little break. I did my chops earlier. So I got my vegetables, got my leftover chicken, and then we're gonna use jasmine rice. We all make some jasmine rice to go, do chicken go over top of the rice. So I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Even though the chicken should make its own oil, but put a little bit of olive oil on the pan. A little olive oil around the pan. Throw my chicken in there. Move it around. This about to be hitting, I'm telling y'all. This is about to be a banger. So I'm gonna let the chicken heat up a little bit, right? Then I'm gonna add my vegetables to it. I'm gonna put my vegetables out. I really don't want to overcook my vegetables too much. I don't want them soggy. Cause I got onions. All the vegetables that I'm putting in here, they kind of cook kind of fast, so I don't want them to overcook. So I'm gonna let this chicken get heated up first. Then I'm gonna add my vegetables to the mixture. Next up, add my vegetables. Now you know, it might look like a lot of vegetables right now, but you know the vegetables gonna cook down. Then it should be equal amount of vegetables to chicken, or close to it. Let me finish cooking. Matter of fact, while we right here, you add a little bit of season to it, a little bit of salt. Talking about the rice bowl in the back. A little garlic salt. And add some soy sauce to it. I'm adding some crushed red peppers, but I don't have it in the video right now. I'm gonna add some crushed red peppers to get a little spice. And let it finish. Saute. Once the vegetables get done, serve it over some rice. And that's it right here. Started off with a couple pieces of chicken left over. Stir fry that joint over top of some rice. You got a quick meal from your leftover chicken from cookout food. I'm telling you, don't let your food go to waste. You can cook and make different items out of different stuff, different leftovers, and have a meal. I basically got a meal that's gonna feed my family off of like 6 chicken legs. We're gonna feed 4 of us. So like, share, subscribe. Peace.